In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to swipe face easily using AI to no advanced editing skills needed. Now here to swipe face, what to the end to know everything. Now here you can see swipe face. Now here you can see photo swipe face, and also here you can see video and GIF face swipe. You can see here. But first, let us photo swipe face here. Now here you can see single face. Now here you can see multiple face. Now here you can see batch swipe. Here I will show you how to use each feature. Now here to use single face, it means you to swipe only single face here. Now here upload the face you will swipe to here like this. Now here click on it like this. Now here click on done. Now here upload the photo you swipe it into here like this. And then you can click on browse to go to your folder. Here I will click on browse to go to my folder. Now slide down to reach the photo you want to swipe it to here. Here I will click on this one. Now here slide down to select the swiping model you will use. Now here you can see version 1. Now here you can see version 2. Here I will use version 2 for more efficiency and better results. Now wait for it. As you can see, I've swiped the face you see here. Now you can upscale it by clicking this upscale here to HD, or you can just download it by clicking this download here. Here you can also modify face here like this by clicking this icon here. It will bring you to this page. Now here what you do now is to click here, upload the image. Now here select the image you want to multi-swipe face. Here I will use this one. Now click on done. And here you can see the faces. Now here you can add a face you want to swipe each one like this by clicking here. And select the face you want to swipe it into like this. I will select this one. I will go to my storage now and select the same picture here. And then select the second one, just make sure you select the faces you want to swipe it into. Now after selecting the faces you want to swipe it into, now here you can see swipe. Now here you can see 4 credits, means each time you use it you will spend 4 credits. You can see your credit on top here. Now here click on swipe here. As you can see, it is swiping it. Here you can see it's loading. You see here it has swiped it. You see, you can check the difference in your picture and know the difference. You can see it has swiped it. So you can just download it by clicking here, download. Now also you can also by swipe by clicking here and click on by swipe like this. Now here is what makes this by swipe different. Now here is where the original will be. Now here is where the target faces will be, and let me show you how to use it. Now here you can upload the original images, means the bodies you want to swipe your face into like this, and select them like this, and then click on done like this, and then pick your face you want to swipe into these pictures. And here I will click on browser and go to the same storage like this, and select the same picture like this. Now you can see my image, you can see my original image. Now here you can see the credits, 3 credits. Now here you can see how many credits I will use when by swiping here. And here click on by swipe. See, in order to use this feature you must subscribe to the premium package. You see, and buy credits here. You see how much is the credits. You can see the credits, you see, and buy credits. So I can't do this one because I have not yet subscribed to the premium package, which as soon as I subscribe to the premium package I will do this tutorial based on this by swipe. But you have get the concept. Now here you can see video and GIF face swipe. Now here you can click on video and GIF face swipe, and then select the video or GF you want to swipe the face into. Now here you can see the maximum MB here. You can see the minutes, the video minutes. You can see the credits you will spend. And here also you can see the target face, means your face, the face you want to swipe it into. Here is where you put the video. Here is where you put the face you want to swipe into the video. You can see here, and then click on the regular swipe, or you can click on HD swipe here. Now also you can single swipe video, you can multi swipe face, or you can batch swipe face. You can see as the same as the photo swipe here, you can see. So try this AI tool. The name is called Remarker AI. The link to use the swipe face AI tool is in the description section, so check it, use it, and tell me how it works on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.